Today I'm testing BeatViz, an all-in-one AI platform to generate or editing songs, covers, instrumentals or even full music videos. Let's go in. So first you go on BeatViz.ai. Here you have an overview about the tool. It transforms your ideas into full tracks. Also with ready to share music videos. Just click try AI music video agent, and after signing up you come to this page here. We are here right at the music video generation agent. We can add music here, describe the music video effect we want. We can use different content modes like storytelling, singing or other. We have some options to choose from, like the standard or pro generation, the quality mode, resolution up to 1080p, also 60:9 or 9:16 for TikTok, Instagram. And we can also add presets like a customizable character. As you can see here, I already tried it with this picture and he created my avatar here, ready to use in the videos. You can also choose a style like romantic, dreamy, to even more customize your desired music video. Let's not waste any time. I have this prompt here from a cinematic love story. Couple driving through a desert, highways at sunset. It should be emotional scenes. Now we upload the music for it. We can choose from local upload or paste the Suno link. So we have this full music song here. As you can hear, it's a bit dramatic, soft music. We can now choose if we want to generate a full video about the whole song or just a cut of it. We want the full song. Just hit confirm. We let all settings on default and we hit generate video. He's now analyzing our audio and our prompt and he's generating a full storyboard for it. As you can see here, he's listing us 3 different creative directions based on the audio analysis, like postcards from the passenger seat, a desert between us, or salt sky, long way home. We just take this. Now he's generating the visualization for it. And this is just amazing. He's now generating clips for the whole audio. It's like 3 minutes. The generation is also very fast. And now we have an overview about the different scenes here. If we scroll further, as we can see, he generated so much scenes out of it. We can now click on AI edit. And here we have a better overview about the segments. We get the start frame image here. He already created with a video prompt below it. We can adjust the prompts. We can use AI to further improve it. Let's hear one. As you can see, based on the audio clip here, he's generating the images. We can also regenerate the first image or the end frame. We take the same prompt of the video prompt, generate it, and seconds later we have the regenerated image here. Back at the overview, we are ready to go. We just hit generate all video segments. And now he's generating all videos all at once. We have to do nothing here, just sit back and relax. And if we preview all segments, as you can see, it's astonishing. He not only produces different segments, he's also doing cuts between the segments in different scenes, matching to the audio. Here another example, we have a prompt of a hip-hop dance crew. We want the dancing mode. We hit generate. Again, he's listing us 3 different directions. We want the stroke bunker cipher. In this example, the audio clip is much shorter, only 20 seconds. Again, he generated the 3 clips for it. And as we look at it, You see the motion is fitting to the audio, to the beat, all automatically. We had to do nothing here. You can also further customize it, but it's just perfect out of the box. It's hilarious. It's very, very good. There's also a custom mode for even further customization. You can look at what's different. As you can read on the bottom here, you have access to the timeline editing with precise control, customizable prompts for each scene, just an even more advanced customization as it already is in the simple mode. Now we come to the music generation. We can choose from the models, like the newest BeatViz V3. We can enter a prompt. We have a prompt of an electropop female singer, synth-driven beat. We can also generate it with AI or even further customization here, like if we want a full song or just instrumentals only, the style, the lyrics, the title, which gender of the vocals should be, and we can also adjust the weights, the constraints for even advanced customization. Let's try the simple one first. We just hit generate. Let's listen to the result.
Mirror on the wall, silver on my eyes, lipstick like a warning, trouble in disguise, little sip of something, laughing with my friends, phone light on your number, typing, then I never send. I feel
It's just a full radio song out of a simple prompt. He's generated the lyrics for us. The vocals are just perfect. Amazing how powerful BeatViz does this here. We can now download it, share it, further edit it by extending it or by cover a similar music inspired by the song here. If we want a customized song, we can use the custom tab here. Like we want a rock catchy hook style. We can generate lyrics here out of the box, describe the lyrics, relationship about human and dogs, hit generate lyrics. He's listing us two different variations of it. Let's take the first one. He automatically creating a title for it. We want a female singer and we hit generate. Let's listen.
you learned my name from a crooked smile. I learned your heart from the way you stayed. Chewed up laces by the kitchen tile, but you never chewed the days we made. Mud on your paws, on my new blue jeans. You just grin like you belong right there. Every scar you show me, every torn up seam says I choose you. Louder than a prayer, you're my best friend and firm, my soft place on the
Yeah, it's exactly that what we wanted. He used our style, he used the lyrics. It's just a full music song, ready to use. Great. If you like BeatViz, just click the link in the description to try it out. See you in the next one.